Today I'm going to be reading DotCom Secrets. Like and subscribe. For example, when I was launching Expert Secrets, I could have bundled up all the products I had to create a huge offer priced at $840. So here it says products I could sell. Expert Secrets book, $27. Expert Secrets audiobook, $19. Expert Evolution home study course, $297. And Traffic Secrets home study course, $497. Sales price if bundled would be $840. When you create huge offers, you can sell them as a bundle in a presentation funnel or as individual products/services in an unboxing funnel. I could have used a presentation funnel, such as a webinar or a product launch funnel, and sold this offer for $840, but instead I decided to unbox this offer and put it into a book funnel that I could sell lower on the value ladder. I unboxed this offer by pulling out each product and putting it into a step of the unboxing funnel. By unboxing this funnel, I'm able to get a lot more people to become customers and start moving up the value ladder. If I do it correctly, my average cart value that I make from each sale will be high enough that I can spend a lot of money to acquire customers, and I can add a lot more fuel as people into my business. There are a few core concepts we will use in all the unboxing funnels. I'll explain them so you'll know how they work in the actual funnels when we get to them. So here's the figure. It says, instead of selling a huge offer for $840, I can unbox the offer, sell each piece separately throughout the funnel, and get more customers to ascend my value ladder. So that is the unboxing funnel. And yeah, hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Bye.